Vivid and consistent color, black, exceptional light fastness and durable impressions. Replaces manufacturer's parts for Adler, Brother, Olivetti, Olympia, Royal, Sears, Silver Reed, Smith Corona and Swintec. Compatible typewriter nylon ribbon. The Porelon Universal Twin Spool Compatible Nylon Typewriter Ribbon replaces manufacturer's parts for Adler, Brother, Olivetti, Olympia, Royal, Sears, Silver Reed, Smith Corona and Swintec. This ribbon provides vivid and consistent black color in addition to exceptional light fastness and durable impressions. This product has been designed and manufactured to operate the original equipment identified. 1 pack. Porelon specializes in creating inking products and elastomers for a wide variety of industries. They focus their scientific, engineering and customer service efforts on delivering solutions that perform to your exact specifications. Top reviews from the United States. I recommend. Kids found an old typewriter but the ribbon didn't have any juice left. I installed this and my kids have been typing away for the last 2 weeks. Great buy. Cheap and easy to install.